What are the main causes of bruxism?
The main cause is the stress, which triggers bruxism, because when you're stressed, you tend to clench your muscles, and these jaw muscles, especially your masseter muscle, is one of the very strong muscles of your body, and it has a lot of power. Another thing is the sleep disorders. If somebody is dealing with sleep apnea or sleep-related disorders, that also contributes to sleepless nights or developing this habit of being stressed while you're sleeping. It is genetical as well. Many people don't know, but this also runs in the families. Many neurological disorders like Parkinson's disease can also contribute to this involuntary activity of grinding or clenching the jaw.